Hey everybody, welcome to my kitchen here. In another few weeks I'll be moving, so I'll have a time today. But you'll see this here. I'm gonna open this up for you. There's no anything on the outside. But check this out. This is a fancy looking lunchbox. That's what it is, the lunchbox. So let's open it up to see how big it is. It gets to be a big square there. And it's got that silver lining and it's got some padding on it. So I guess that's what insulates it. And nice and shiny and stuff. And it looks like it's kind of probably somewhat waterproof because of the plastic lining inside. But it's got the inside cavity, which would probably fit, man, like a big person's lunch, big huge lunch, look at the size of that. And then it's got the little net here, so you put napkins and stuff there. It's got a little net on the side for more utensils or napkins on the side here. Even in the back, there's a little section there, and there is the handle. So you can have the handle there. And so check it out, so then when it's zipped up, you have a little Velcro here too. So you can Velcro it up. And there's your lunchbox. You've got a little front section here, so if you wanted to put forks and knives and things in there. Ooh, what do we got in there? Oh, it's a strap, so you can hang it. So let's check that out. So then it goes like this. So you have your two choices of ways of holding it. Pretty cool. I like this lunchbox. Very good, nice. And then when you're done for the day or whatever, it folds back up into a nice, neat little package there, so you can stick it in the closet. So, I like it. Thumbs up for me. What brand is this even? I don't even know. Does it say? Not sure, but I'll put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. Be sure to like my video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon. Bye.